We're still really mild. We're still above normal highs. Upper 60s, low 70s, 72 downtown, 71 in Mentor. We've got 71 right now in Akron, upper 60s in Canton. So this is warm for this time of the day. Normal highs 64. So our official numbers will be very misleading for the day. Yesterday we hit 84 degrees. But here's the thing. We're going to see temperatures slip and slide back into those 50s pretty fast. And outside of these few showers that we're dealing with currently in spots, I think it'll just be very isolated at that. So you better be bringing the fall jacket as you leave the house because you will need it. A sweatshirt, grab something, even though at the moment you might not need it. Most of you don't at this point, but behind the front, it's dramatically different. And we're gonna see this cool or even chilly air reinforce itself heading into this weekend. Ahead of the front though, it is still so warm and so mild. And that's really been our story throughout the week. So maybe, you know, in addition to all the hay rides and fun going on at this time of the year, there's lots happening. You want to check out some fall color. Still patchy in Northeast Ohio, but you will find some spots. Let us know. Take some pictures. We'd love for you to share on social media. But we are, again, in the patchy point of our peak. And we'll see it really start to just get gorgeous over the next coming weeks, and especially with these temperatures, because that helps. So the showers, like I said, are mainly east, and a lot of them are already crossing over the state line. So I think that, you know, we're pretty much going to just be looking at very isolated wet weather for the rest of our Thursday. Let's talk about Michael. Now a tropical storm, rain through Georgia, through South Carolina. South Carolina is probably dealing with the brunt of it at this point. Look at all of that heavy rain approaching Columbia and even through parts of North Carolina. So as far as the track, you'll see that we continue with tropical storm force winds even through today. And over the Carolinas it goes, even parts of southern Virginia, and eventually out over the Atlantic. You can thank our cold front moving through for that one because it's literally pushing this away. So it's a blessing because by later tonight it should be over the Atlantic Ocean and continuing to weaken in cooler waters. So that in itself will be welcome because this has been nothing but tragic to watch. Back here at home, we're going to keep spotty shower chances around, but like I said, they will be isolated through the morning hours. By 11, we're already seeing 50s to near 60 degrees. That's 11 a.m. So yeah, temperatures tumble. Small craft advisory out on the lake today. Super choppy with this cold front, 5 to 8 foot waves. And like I said, if you're really craving some autumn, it's going to end up feeling like it all the way into next week. 50s for highs, lows 40s. Maureen, that is cool for this time of the year. Overall, the weekend looks pretty good. I think we'll see some sun, and I do think a little shower chance here and there, but there is no reason you won't be able to get outside at times.
Yeah, all right. Get the fall mums already planted if you haven't done so yet. All right, Holly, thanks so much.